calm down vata, increase sattva quality, which means purity of brain has to come. If there is a purity of brain, he will not naturally feel violent. He will be uh, always happy, more composed, not feeling insecure, etc., etc. So ghee, white pumpkin, which we don't get it in Germany. So, but in India we do get it. And Dr. Ram is going to tell you a lot of home remedies from this white pumpkin. I have a piece here because you know what? I drink this juice every day. I have to keep my brain active. So it's not, this session is not just for people, children who are ADHD or ADD, but also in general hyperactive children. And we thought at this time, especially when I was doing phone consultation, my son is now grown up, but I remembered at home when I was working some 10 years ago, I had this little helper always, kind of disturbing me because you want to concentrate. You are not used to having small helpers while you are working. And it was difficult for me to concentrate at that time. So I used to drink this juice every day. It helped me a lot. So I gave him Mind Power formula, Bliss formula, and MetaBoost. These three he was taking every day. And that boy was so sensitive. This is what is great about this children. Children are aware what's happening with them. He felt so good. He wanted to come back and see me after 6 months because he felt little better. He was finding that people are saying that I'm not normal. But then when he felt more grounded, he started sitting in one place for 2 to 3 minutes at a time. In 6 months, he came back again, and then I made it double. Within, I think, around 3 years, he was so settled. He actually studied in normal school, and I met him last year, just as a teenager now, of course. He came for some other reason, and he said, I'm much better. Thank you. Thank you. I've studied in normal school now, and I'm very much better. He came with his mom, actually, and they were both very happy. So, friends, in your kitchen, you can do this simple formula, and then I'll pass on this mic to Dr. Ram, who will actually share a lot of home remedies with you. But because I promised you something from the kitchen, this simple formula, you can use it for calming your mind in this restless time, for feeling grounded and feeling sattva quality, which means when you are sattva quality, your mind is so positive, it will always find a solution even in adverse conditions. And it will be active to find the solution. So you can take this pumpkin, white pumpkin, half a kg, okay, remove the skin, remove the seeds, and that pulp of it, half kg, grate it very finely, add crushed powdered almond. Take almond and just crush it, 500 grams, half a kg. Take around 100 to 200 grams of ghee. Take it in a pan and saute till that pumpkin becomes really shrink. It shrinks and cooks and shrinks. The whole water is evaporated. It becomes a bit dry. You can add little bit of jaggery just to sweeten it properly. Add some cardamom, nutmeg, just to make it a bit more tasty. Nutmeg is calming to the mind. If you get Brahmi powder, you can add 100 grams of Brahmi powder in that and make like a burfi. Settle it in a plate or something, and once it is cooled down, it will become like a sweet, which you can take it every day in the morning. Of course, diabetics should not take sugar, but everybody else can definitely do it. This is something that calms down mind, and really you feel settled. It can be done by everybody, not just hyperactive children, but even the children who want to increase their concentration, who want to have good marks in examination, or adults who have problem of stress, not able to focus. They can do it every day. And friends, Ayurveda is amazing. Trust me, it is a way of life. If you follow it every day, you will find that slowly your brain and nervous system is nourished and feeling stronger and stronger day by day. So I invite Dr. Ram to share more deeper insights and home remedies with you. And Dr. Ram is actually somebody who is from our team. He is head of Ayushakti Peace Valley Resort in Goa, and last more than 7 years he have been only and only dealing with Western people there who comes and stays there. We have every year hundreds of people come and stay there for 2 or 3 weeks of detox programs. And nowadays he's actually busy doing phone consultations actually, because that's what we can do. We can't go out. We are doing phone consultations. Welcome, Dr. Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, good morning, namaskar. So I'm Dr. Ramchandra Konduskar, talking here from Ayushakti Goa Center. So I've been as a doctor since last 7 years in Goa and been treating from patients from across the world. So nowadays I am busy in doing phone consultation, and it's very important for me as well to focus on my child, to make him calm down and peaceful in this kind of lockdown phase. So it's a tough and challenge for me, a real challenge for me, to make him ground level, calm down and peaceful in this kind of lockdown phase. For their design, this is my topic for today: how to make calm down your hyperactive child in this kind of lockdown phase. As Ayushakti doctors, we have been treated many patients like this, not only with the hyperactive child, as well as the disease of mental activities, mental problems, also autistic child, and many more. So I know as a parents, it's a stressful job, tough job. See, in this situation, to make it calm down, the baby or child to make it calm down. So if you have any questions, queries, please feel free to write to me in the comment box. We'll revert back soon. So nowadays, many children has been suffering from this kind of hyperactive child disorder. So the medical word or medical term that can be used, especially in this kind of the situation like hyperactive child, is called as ADHD. So what is ADHD? The attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Means there is like a lack of attention as well as there is a lot of hyperactivity in child. So as Ayushakti doctors, when we see the pulse, we take the pulse, we define specific kind of reason or the cause in the pulse. So that is called as low immune system. That is the Vedic Shamaktuva or the low immune system of the body become less in this kind of issues. Also, with the toxins that are piled in the body, the viruses or the bacteria that are like grown in the body that come into the brain level or in the manostatus and get logged into this brain and create this hyperactivity. So I want to share some signs and symptoms that we can find, especially this kind of ADHD kind of disorder. Sometimes anxiety, sometimes depressions. So lack of attention in this kind of illnesses, violent behavior. So the person can make like hinsa. बच्चे हिंसा करते हैं कभी कभार. So they can make the problems to the animals, to the human body, and even they can destroy the property of the surrounding or society. So they face the difficulty in learning difficulties. They find very difficult studies. पढ़ाई में कमजोरी रहती है ऐसे बच्चों में. So forgetfulness. वो भूल जाते हैं, जल्दी जल्दी भूल जाते हैं, and talk too much, and especially they can't sit down for some period, especially in particular place. They move here and there like anything. And the other symptoms like insomnia, they can't sleep for a long time in the night time. You turn here and there, move the body like anything. In extreme cases, they can have the conditions called as drug abuse as well. So alcohol consumption, smoking. कभी कभी एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन में बच्चे दारू पीना, स्मोकिंग करना, सिगरेट स्मोकिंग करना, ऐसी भी चीजें कर सकते हैं. So this kind of extreme complications can be developed in later times if you are not manage this situation in correct time. So this is very, very important to manage this situation in correct time. So please feel free to write me comments in my comment box. We'll be more than happy to answer you. So the Ayushakti's approach, so what Ayushakti thinks about this one. So it is very important to make sure that the immune system of overall body has to be checked. The loads of the bacteria, the virus has to be checked. You have to make sure that detoxification has to be done. You have to rectify the toxins that are lodged into the body. It is called a Sharir Shuddhikaran or Panchakarma treatments, or sometimes you can do it Panchakarma treatment, as well as some herbs that you can take to make it clean down with the help of some medicines we have got and some of the oils. So also we have to make sure that the brain nourishment should be there. ब्रेन को पोषण करना, जो मज्जा धातु बोलते हैं ब्रेन में होता है, that to nourish this with some of the medicines, some of the treatments that I'm going to share you in further. So reducing excess Vata. So, if you have toxins, if you have the bad food, the toxin lodge in the body, that makes much more Vata in the body, and it lodge into the brain tissue. So you have to make sure Vata has to be specified in the brain tissue. Particularly with the group of medicine, some home remedies that I'm going to share you, it will help you like anything in treating this kind of illnesses. Even in sitting in home, you can do this. Okay. So here I'm sharing you some kind of methods, some kind of techniques or herbal supplements which are proved highly effective, highly potent in treating this kind of illnesses like hyperactive child, or you can say managing this kind of hyperactive child. So what are these 4 points or 4 tools that I'm using? So first is like home remedy. घरेलू उपाय खान पान में क्या कर सकते हैं? डाइट मीन्स आहार विहार क्या कर सकते हैं हम डाइट में? मर्मा, we have got some marma point that can be used in treating this kind of illness. Last is like herbs. We have got potent Ayushakti herb that are highly beneficial in treating this kind of disease. We are using this from long year in many people with successful rate. So first is like home remedies. So 1/4 cup of white pumpkin means पेठा बोलते हैं, हिंदी में उसको पेठा बोलते हैं. सो आपने देखा होगा सफेद गोपला या फिर पेठा, उसका जूस करने का है आपको 1/4 cup that to be taken in afternoon. It is bit cooling one, so you have to make sure that the child should be the cough and cold. So if you are giving in this condition, it can increase the mucus. So that I'm advising you, especially if you have running nose, mucus, you have to make it warm, and you can add some little bit of black pepper and also the ginger powder. Black pepper 2 pinches and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. That you can do it. That to be taken in afternoon. Okay. So So the cow ghee is best medicine, especially nourishing the manohasatas, the brain tissues. Okay, so that you can use as a sign in the body. 1 teaspoon of the cow ghee has to be taken in the morning with warm water. गाय का घी सेवन करना एक अच्छी बात है, न कि बच्चे और बड़े भी ले सकते हैं इसमें। 1 चम्मच गाय का घी मॉर्निंग को लेने का है गर्म पानी के साथ आपको, that will help in calming down this kind of situation. Next is like Brahmi. Brahmi is a very good medicine, especially in treating this kind of disease. See, like this, now half teaspoon of the Brahmi powder that to be taken twice a day with warm water. ब्राह्मी पाउडर को आपको लेने का 1/2 चम्मच गर्म पानी के साथ सुबह और शाम 2 बार, 2 टाइम. The next is like oil massage. Oil massage is very best, especially working in treating many illnesses of the physical and mental. If you've got pain, joint pains, muscle aches, to make the muscle tones, and also working on the mental illness. If you do some abhyanga or like til massage, तिल का मसाज कर सकते हैं आप हेड पर भी, सर पर भी. That will help especially to make down your the child calm down and peaceful. And last, suppose if you like the kurkuma or turmeric or haldi, in Hindi it's called haldi. Kurkuma you can use the word, especially in German word they are using. So the turmeric is highly beneficial in treating this kind of, ADHD is a disease of autoimmune disorder. So this is kurkuma, haldi is very effective, especially in treating this kind of illnesses. You can check the immune system as well, like the immune system, coughs, mucus, and the inflammation in the brain tissues as well. Next is like diet. Diet plays very important role in treating the disease. You know that if you have the bad food, the toxins are piled up in the body that can lodge into the mainstream and it come into the brain tissue, impairing the brain level. So this is very important. You should know which food are causing this disease. Some certain foods, the food that contain gluten, the wheat is in many culprits. The refined flour, refined sugar, refined salt, even the refined oil, if you are using, has to be cut down from the diet. जो हम खाने में गेहूं खाते हैं उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोटीन रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं ग्लूटेन. इफ यू आर यूजिंग दिस मोटेन, लाइक आप बहुत खाएंगे, उसको सेवन करेंगे तो वो चिपक जाता है आंतों में और स्लोली टॉक्सिन जो है वो ब्रेन में पहुंच जाते हैं, that impairing your whole system. So if you cut down the gluten, the wheat will be very good. Also refined खाना होता है, refined sugar है, refined salt है, you have to cut down from the diet. Okay, so avoid dairy food. It's also very important. So but if you are using too much dairy food, mean like milk products, cheese, paneer, and all these things, they are very highly intoxicated with toxins. If you are using this from long time, that can increase the mucus in the body, and that can lodge into the brain level, producing this kind of issues. The fermented food, is also very important. You should know about the fermented food. If you are using for a long time, it's going to be a problem. The gassy and the mucus inducing food means gassy means what? If you are using potatoes, some of the food that increasing gas, potatoes, and also mucus inducing means if you are using too much of cold food, heavy food, salads and all this, that is going to be a problem. So if you have any query, questions regarding this home remedies, diet, please feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you. आपको अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन है, क्वेरीज है, प्लीज आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख लीजिए, हम आपको रिवर्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज द मर्मा. So marma is nothing but energy points. Okay, subtle energy point. When you activate these points, It's remove the blockage from the channels and bring back the vitality, positivity, and the self-confidence in the child. It looks very simple, So how to do this marmas, but it's highly, highly effective in getting this kind of diseases. So iShakti has proven and time-tested marma that now I'm going to share you. Let's see. Okay, so how to do this marma? So you have to use the cow ghee, the fingertips. So over here, these eyebrows written especially. You can see properly. So also here. So very slowly, like in the anti-clockwise direction, you have to roll the fingers slowly and steadily, 6 times. Okay. The next, like this, bit with thumb pressure, you have to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this 6 times, and this 6 times. So here you can see the point here. Take support from the hand, other hand, and just press here. 1, 2, like this. I'm pressing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can roll this also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, with the eyebrows, you have to like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also here, the point is there. You have to make a line from the ear pin, immediate lines like this, and from here also. Okay, so this is point. You have to apply the ghee here. Must and press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last, especially, this is the mama. You have to hold the hand onto the skull. So like this until you roll the skull. So I'm doing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this looks simple. This looks simple but highly beneficial, highly effective, and proven from long years. Please try this 3 to 4 times a day, every day. It is going to help. So next, if you have some query regarding this marma, please write in the comment box. It will help you a lot. Okay. So next is like herbs. Avishakti has proven time-tested herbs that we are using not only in this kind of issues, like in of the mental activities also. So if you have got some issues of mental problems, anxiety, stress, depression, autism, this has proven highly beneficial. Like first is what? Sumedha. The Sumedha syrup we have got that we can use it 1 teaspoon twice a day, morning and evening. Second is bliss. So bliss is the medicine. Okay. So bliss is highly potent medicines that contain medicine that nourish the brain system. So that to be taken one tablet twice a day, morning and evening. This calm down the nervous system, make your child grounded. Okay. So next is the mind power. So the medicine that we are using, mind power, has some medicine to make focus in the child, to help especially in the learning abilities, and also calm down effect on the body. So at least if you could take the medicine for 6 months to 1 year, it can help you a lot. So these medicines. So ये जो medicines है या फिर herbs है, आप अगर 6 महीने और ये 1 year के लिए medicine ले सकते हैं, उसका effect बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. Okay, this medicine you can use. So next, finally, I want to share you something about my patient. She came here in Goa Shakti from Latvia. So she was like 15-year girl. She was having the issues of learning difficulties, stress, anxiety also. She was not having attention. She was not having focus. So Also, she was having a lot of irritation, anger as well. And especially she was having the problem of Down syndrome as well. You know, Down syndrome is a bit difficult to treat. And with this Down syndrome, as the hyperactivity, it connected. So it was a challenge for me to treat this kind of issues. So with this correct herbs, the home remedies, the diet, the balanced diet that I share you, and the Marma points, she got very nice effect. So initially she was able to focus, she was able to retain whatever you have told her. She was able to calm down, grounded. So after 6 months of period, her mother called me from Latvia and said that she has improved a lot in the academics. Okay, so I do feel this is very, very important topic or session that can help you in your child to make him or her grounded or calm down. Hope you like this session. Okay, wishing you all vibrant health. Stay safe, stay healthy. And suppose if you have any query, please write to me in comment box. We'll help you to answer the questions as soon as possible. Namaskar.
Dr. Ram, thank you so much. This was a very informative session, but we have few questions for you from our viewers. The very first question is, how do I know that my child is hyperactive?
Yeah, suppose no child is not having attention. If you are saying something and he is not attentive, and also he is moving, the child, if he is moving all around, not sitting at a proper place for some period also, in this condition, you can get idea that my child may have this kind of issue. And also, if he facing some issues in learning pattern, in this situation, you can grab the child has this kind of issue.
Okay, all right. There is one more question. What foods do you suggest for a ADHD child?
See, you have to make sure the digestion has to be good, especially in this kind of issue. So you have to have the food that is very light for digestion, like in Ayurveda narrated like mung beans or mung dal. जो बोलते हैं ना मूंग की दाल या फिर मूंग बोलते हैं साबुत मूंग, they are highly recommended in case of detoxification of the body. So it contains a lot of proteins that you can use readily. 60% proteins you can get from this mung bean. And also the vegetables, vegetables like the fruit vegetables होते हैं, कद्दू, तुरई, फंसी, भोपला बोलते हैं ना, लाल भोपला या फिर सफेद भोपला. This white pumpkin or petha is highly recommended. You can make sabji of this, you can make soup of this, you can make khichdi of this also. Mung beans and कद्दू की जो खिचड़ी बोलते हैं वो कर सकते हैं, वो खा सकते हैं. और कुछ फ्रूट्स जैसे कि almonds है, walnuts है, they are very highly good for the nourishment of the brain. So that you can use in your lifestyle. And the ghee, so ghee is very, very important. As per Ayurveda, is holy, that can be used in ample amounts. You can use it in any form. You can take it, you can apply it. You can apply it at night time to get good sleep. You can put in the nose also. Suppose with young children, you can put a little bit ghee, you have to melt it. 1 drop you can put at night time. This is highly effective in getting sleep also.
There is one more question. Does ADHD change with age?
So ADHD, you can, initially you can have less symptoms as the disease progress. Suppose toxins have been lodged in the body, and it can increase in the body as well. The toxins that are lodged in the body can come into the brain, it can increase, and the severity of the disease can be more as the age progress. So it is very important to check this in initial stage only.
Ma'am, there is one question for you from a viewer. They asked about, is there any yoga pose for children?
Yes, actually, pranayam is very useful. ADHD children, particularly, it is difficult to do savasana, but if they do it, it is very good actually. And marma points are what I recommend. In general, all yoga postures are nice, especially forward bending. Surya Namaskar is very good. I actually wanted to share also one important research work that we had published in Europe on Ayushakti's bliss formula and mind power. So there is one Dr. Giovanni and also another Dr. Antonella. These two separate research papers have been published in Europe, which has shown actually that doing these marma points, following the diet, then taking ghee inside, pranayam every day, and these two formulas. Combination of this has actually improved the hyperactivity in children and adults with stress and depression have been improved almost by 60 to 80% in 6 months time. So that's just I wanted to share that with you, our and our viewers. Actually, they should feel very proud that our own therapy, Ayushakti has published our ancient knowledge research papers in Europe, where it has shown and demonstrated that the effects is very powerful.
Okay. Yeah, this was very informative. There is one more question from our viewer. She said, is hyperactive child normal?
See, in some situations, you can say it like normal, but if it is like autoimmune disorder, you have to work much more, especially in treating the immune system, the main cause of the disease. So you have to work on the immune system. So initially, suppose the problems are less, we can set the goals of the treatments and we can achieve the treatment, the result in quite healthy period. Suppose the children is having autoimmunity, it should take the medicine for a long, long time.
I want
Alright,
to add something, Asmita, just for
yes,
our
yes.
viewers' benefit. You know, normally children have to be active, because if they are not active, then it's not normal. You know, they have to jump around, they have to play, they have to do everything. But there is always a kind of a small limit. Beyond that, some children are so hyperactive that their attention deficit is very strong, so that when they start reading something, in few minutes their mind goes away somewhere else, and it takes like double the time to read the same amount of learning that normally they would do in whatever normal children would do. And sometimes it is even difficult to finish what they are supposed to do. So there is always a level of hyperactivity, and so normally normal activity, jumping around normal, etc., is it's okay. That's just normal. But if the child is not sitting in one place more than 3 to 5 minutes, he's not able to put eye to eye contact easily with the people, he is not able to learn things to the extent that he has difficulty even to pass his normal scores, etc. He's not able to finish his work in certain period of time, which is like double the time than normal people. Even in that period of time he can't finish, he can finish only half of the work which others are doing. So these are different signs, actually. Sometimes violent behavior without any reason. So there is always and lot of love from the parent. We always forget that part, but these children are not abnormal. And if you start to if you try to discipline them, they will rebel and become more hyperactive. At this point, the parents have to be very, very patient. They have to love and love and love and love. So much love you give to the child that his hyperactivity, which is a vata symptom, love creates kapha in their body. So love your child is my prescription for the parents. Accept them as they are. Don't try to give so many rules, but give only 2 or 3 rules which you think are the most important that they have to follow. If you give a lot of rules, don't do this, don't know why you're doing, then he will rebel and he will be even worse. So that's what I would recommend to all the parents who are watching this. If they have a child diagnosed ADHD or who is just slightly hyperactive also, just follow this and you will find that in a few days or few weeks your child is naturally calming.
I hope we are very clear on this topic of ADHD. I want to thank you, Dr. Smita Naram and Dr. Ram, today for joining us in this live session and giving us some precious home remedies, kitchen formulas, and some herbs. I am sure our viewers had liked this video and they will share this video with their family and friends. आपके कोई भी घर में या फिर आजू-बाजू में आप कभी इस प्रति ऐसे बच्चों को आप जानते हो, तो आप उसको प्लीज़ आयु शक्ति के क्लिनिक में लाके दिखाइए. We will be very happy to treat those childs and you can follow these home remedies, this diet and these herbs with them. अगर आप हमारे डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए हुए नंबर पे आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इंडिया से कॉल कर रहे हैं, तो आप कॉल कीजिए 180026630001 पे. अगर आप कोई भी ग्लोबल कंट्री से कॉल कर रहे हैं, तो आप कॉल कीजिए 180028009006 पे. आप हमें व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं 7777001561. If you want to get connected to a doctor, you can call us on 180026630001. If you're calling from any global country, you can call us on 180028009006. You can WhatsApp us on 7777001561 or you can email us at info@ayushakti.com. Thank you. Namaskar.